Okay guys, what's up? I'm gonna do this little quick video from the car. Trying to get the camera to quit shaking. Um, as you guys know, most of you know, I'm still in college, and all I have to say is college isn't for everybody, and it's really not for me. It's really not. I hate it. I hate going every day, but if it's free, I'm gonna keep going. It's pretty much paid for, and I am shaking really bad. But I mean, we all have bad days and we all have good days, right? And I don't do well presenting in front of people. I never have. I probably never will. Um, I do it when I have to. I do it when people want me to. And you just kind of get over it and go on with things. But right now, today's not been my day. Not going to lie. I lost a little bit on the market this morning. When I started trading, my biggest problem was I was listening to people when I was right. When I looked at the chart, I knew where I wanted my entry, I knew where I wanted to exit, and then people would tell me the opposite, and these would be people that like I learned stuff from. So I'd be like, maybe they're onto something, so I would lean that way and I would go with it, and I would lose money. And today, for the first time in probably 6 months, that I actually got onto a chat room and listened to it, and I said something on the chat room. It was about DCAR. DCAR is a ticker, and I wanted to short it this morning because it was up so high, and it was creating lower highs, and then it got a little bit of momentum before the market. I mean, that happens, but as soon as the market opened, it died, and it fell down to a resistance or to a support line, and it kind of bounced up, but it didn't have that momentum. It didn't have that volume that normally they do when they're going to spike back up and break through their highs already. And I went on ahead and went long in that dip, and it got up a little bit, and I was like, okay, should I take profits? But there wasn't very much profits there. So I was like, okay, I'm going to let it run. And before I knew it, this DCAR fell back down. It was a short. It was a short all day long. Where I entered in, I should have shorted from into the pop. And I thought I was getting a dip buy. I thought I was getting on the momentum because I let other people influence me. So instead of looking at a chart today, I'm going to upload this video. And the main thing is, don't let people influence you. The sad part is I've had so much stress from school and with final exams coming and all of the above. I mean, everything that I've got to write. I've got to write a paper tonight that's 7 pages that I haven't started on because I've been so focused on my businesses, and I've been so focused on I want to start creating content again, and I want to help people. And I knocked the price down on my course for $24.99 because I feel like I need to help people. This is only going to happen until school is out because I'm not going to market it really any because I don't have time or anything like that. I love helping people. If people buy it, of course I'm going to go through and I'm going to help you guys when I get chances. When I'm eating lunch, guys, you got to realize I don't get to eat lunch like most people do and check Facebook and check and Instagram and go through all that. When I go to lunch, or when I get my chance to eat lunch in between classes, if that's what I'm doing, or after I get done trading, I'm literally on my computer answering emails, answering messages that people ask me, and that is the biggest thing. I mean, not many of my things come from YouTube. I know I have a very small following, and I want that to change as well, but that'll come with time, I think. But a lot of my stuff comes from people that have already bought my course, telling their friends about it, and then they go through and then they come and contact me. And right now, I want to get it to, I'm giving it at this price right now for a certain amount of time because I don't have the time to market it. I really got to write papers. I got finals coming up, and I really don't want to fail. I mean, I've never failed an actual class in my life. I've dropped a class because I knew I was going to fail it, but I don't count that as an actual failure. You know what you can and what you can't do. I actually take one of the classes next semester, and I got to register for my classes tomorrow. But beyond me rambling on, a lot of your success will come from here, And once you learn how to do things, don't let people tell you what you can and can't do and what you should and shouldn't be doing. Because if you have like the experience that I do trading and knowing what works for me and what doesn't work for me, it just becomes a bad day when you lose that amount of, I didn't lose God's amounts of money, but I lost a good chunk of money just because I listened to other people. And guys, don't listen to other people unless you are new or you're not making money yet. If you're not making money yet, soak up as much knowledge as you can. Absolutely. I still soak up as much knowledge as I can. But when you know how to do something and it works for you, don't fix what's not broken. And that is the biggest lesson today. If it's not broken, don't fix it. That's how you say the saying, not the way I just said it. But I am literally going to go write this paper. I'm going to, and then I'm going to the gym because I feel like I need to work out so bad and I need to get some of the stress out. Life is stressful. I have 2 weeks left of school. Yeah. And one of it's dead week and one of it is finals week, and those are never fun. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this content. The link to my course will be in the description as always. And it's not even the link, it's just you go to my website and then it's there. My course is usually $300 because I don't feel like it's right to spend $3,000 or to make you spend $3,000 or $1,000 at a time. But this is all in one place, and I'm not gonna edit this video at all. All in one place. You get all your content. Okay, so that last one got cut off. That last clip got cut off because my dad called with the relatively decent news, at least. With news about moving and everything like that. But I'm gonna end the video right here. If you want to get my course, if not, I understand. It's not my main source of income or anything like that. But I hope you guys are having a better day than I am. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video where we will look at some charts and we will look at some other stuff. And if you guys want to do any other investing or anything like that, let me know and I'll tell you all that I've invested in and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.